Thursday, March 13th, 2025. Early afternoon, got a northbound train, 284 axles. There's a defect detector about 10 miles south of here. We're on the Cincinnati to Corbin sub between Butler and Falmouth, Kentucky. I just heard him blow at the last crossing, so he'll be here hopefully in less than a minute. It seems like he's taking forever to get here. I'm not expecting a manifest. I'm expecting a unit train of some type, which means all the cars are carrying the same material. So should be showing up here very shortly. We'll see if he's on the main or on the siding. I could have started this a little later, but I wanted to give a little bit of a lead up to it, a little description. Once again, northbound CSX CC sub, 284 axle northbound train. I don't think he's rolling very fast. He may come in on the siding, and if he does, there's a chance he'll stop. Still waiting. I hear, but I do not see. If I was out on the railroad line, I could see it probably. Those rocks are outcroppings. Block it. Yeah, I can see it now. He's rolling slow. It looks like the main. It looks like maybe a SpongeBob. Let's see here. It's hard to tell. It's pretty far away. Let me zoom in. I think he's on the siding. Rolling slow on the siding. There's a chance he'll stop, but 284 cars, he may make it all the way past here before he stops. We'll see. And it does look like a SpongeBob, and it's a mixed freight. That's surprising. I don't think it's a local because it said 284 axles, unless that's a different train. Got a wave. Hey, wave. SD40-3's, at least the second one was. There you go, Jawtooth. We gotta hop out of here sometime. We got some color for boxcars here. Sounded too good. Sorry about that, I got out of frame there. This is unusual for a train with this many cars using the older style GP locomotives, or SD locomotives I should say. What this train is as far as the number. I don't think it's the 542. 542 comes out of Georgia, goes to Cincinnati. The 541 goes the opposite direction. Then again, it could be. Rocks on a hopper. Dump car. We've got a little bit of everything on this train. Brand new railroad ties. Maybe some some of those gonds too. I can't see down inside of them. Get a nice slow roll by. It's about a 5-mile long siding, I think, off the top of my head. Looks like the last car is going to be a tanker car. There's some railroad ties. Those are used. I could use a few of those. Concrete and rebar. So I don't know what to make with this train as far as the description. It almost acts like a local, but I've never seen a local that big. It's a beautiful day. I think spring has sprung finally. It's been a hard winter. Get back in frame there. Okay. Well, I probably won't catch another train today. So thanks for coming and checking it out. Hope you have a good day. Stay safe and thanks for checking us out. Bye.